Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Arise TV presenter Rufai Oseni is one of Nigeria's best in what he does. He is one of the few anchors that you would like to watch who can ask reasonable questions from politicians in order to get at the root of a problem or any issue at stake. So I always, and many Nigerians trust his sense of judgment on several issues. But there was an issue he raised where he got it wrong when he sort of criticized Nigerians who support former President Donald Trump in the November election in the United States. He said, he wrote on his X handle, he said, when you see Nigerians supporting Trump, you now realize why we don't have good leaders in Nigeria. For a human being to support a character like Trump and complain about bad leadership in Nigeria is sheer hypocrisy. No, we're not hypocrites. I support Donald Trump, and I have a sound reason to support Donald Trump. I don't throw my support anyhow. Just as I support Peter Obi, I didn't support Peter Obi out of sentiment. I support Peter Obi based on facts and figures, which I have mentioned several occasions in this channel. But this issue of supporting Trump, Nigeria supporting Trump, it means that we are hypocrites when we talk about bad leadership in Nigeria. It is not true. We are not hypocrites. We are patriots. We know what we want. And in any case, Donald Trump, unless if you are listening to the left-wing media houses in America, like the CNN or ABC, NBC, all these channels that are pro-democratic party, those are the people demonizing Trump. Trump was an effective leader. He was an effective leader. The reason why he's doing well, despite all the disadvantages against him, despite the fact that even the anchors of the last presidential debate was totally against him, the reason he's doing well was because Oseni should go and look at the polls. Despite what some people think that he lost the last debate with Kamala Harris, which was a lie, and I said it in this channel. Look at the core issues that affect Americans. They ask Americans, who do you trust that can handle the economy? Majority of them say they trust Trump. So Trump is not anyhow leader. He's not a failed leader like Buhari. Okay? So you can't say that we are hypocrites. So Americans trust him in the economy. They trust him in maintaining security. They trust him in the border issues. The only place where he's losing ground is only in the issue of abortion. They say, oh, Kamala Harris is doing well with women on the issue of abortion. Okay, abortion is not supposed to be a major issue. But the core issue that will determine the election ought to be, and it is, the economy of America, the security of America. And here, Trump stands head and shoulder above Kamala Harris. So it's not that we don't support Trump because for any other reason. He has the capacity. That's the truth. He has the capacity. His record showed it. 4 years he was president of America. America never went into any war. It was 4 years of international peace. He was able to make United Arab Emirates to have relationship with Israel. Perhaps Donald Trump ought to have won if it was Obama that was able to broker that Middle East peace accord that he was able to generate for United Arab Emirates and Israel, they would have given him a Nobel Prize. So there was no wars. There was no wars under him. He didn't fight any war. He was interested in security of America. I say America first. So he's not a bad leader. So supporting him doesn't mean that we support bad leadership in America. Americans never say that Trump is a bad leader. It's only the media, the woke media, that's what it's called, the woke media. Media that support the kind of thing that Kamala Harris is doing. Media that support Kamala Harris' idea of sex change, surgery for sex change in America that will be paid by the government, which Trump does not support. Okay, and then another thing why I know I support Donald Trump is that Donald Trump was a better candidate and is good for Africa than the Democratic Party, which Kamala Harris represents. Because Kamala Harris is a extension of Barack Obama. Don't forget, if American economy is bad today, the Democratic Party have been running America for the past 12 years. Only Trump did it for 4 years out of that 12 years. Okay? So you can't talk anything against Trump in terms of his capacity to govern. So we're not supporting somebody who lacks capacity. Americans know he has capacity. And in any case, Democratic Party of Barack Obama, they are the reason why we are insecure in Nigeria today. It is the Obama government that killed Muammar Gaddafi. Because of the death of Muammar Gaddafi, the whole of the Sahel region is insecure. Because of the death of Muammar Gaddafi, today we do not have democratic government in Mali. We do not have democratic government in Burkina Faso. We don't have a democratic government in Niger. ECOWAS have been torn apart because of Obama. Because if they did not kill Muammar Gaddafi and made Libya a fair state, there is no way we will have the kind of insecurity we had in the Sahel, which has also reached Nigeria. It is believed that most of the weapons, even the shoulder to air that bandits are bandying about in Nigeria, came through Libyan route. When Gaddafi was alive, he was a buffer. But today, Al-Qaeda, Boko Haram, and ISWAP, they are all major threats around the Sahel, including Nigeria. Okay? So why should I support a party that did this to our continent, that did this to our country? And this is the same Barack Obama administration that supported Buhari. They supported the APC administration. They were the one that brought the propaganda that APC used to upstage Jonathan in 2015. If you don't know, let me tell you, you can go and Google it. The APC change slogan was created by David Azaro, who is a political associate of Barack Obama. He was sent to Nigeria as a consultant to the APC so that they could be able to come up with strategy to defeat Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. You can go and Google it. I have put it on my screen several times, where the APC admitted that they hired consultants who are associates of Barack Obama. And that is election interference in our country. Barack Obama interfered in our election in 2015. That ought to make every Nigerian angry, because it means that it was Barack Obama that helped in planting Buhari that destroyed the economy of this country, that destroyed the security of this country. And now, look at what we are facing in Nigeria. The insecurity that Buhari could not manage. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has made it worse. So who do we blame? It is that same Democratic Party. The Democratic Party that helped to install Buhari. They're also the one that helped in installing Tinubu. Whether you like it or not, if it was Donald Trump that was president of Nigeria, if it was Donald Trump that was president of America after the 2023 election, America would not have embraced Tinubu the way they did. But what did we get? What did we get? America was lukewarm. America, Democratic Party in America under Biden was telling us that the election was a reflection, even though there were incidents of malpractices, but it was a reflection of the will of Nigerian people. That Tinubu's election was a reflection of Nigerian people. Is that a reflection of Nigerian people? Is that a reflection of the vote of Nigerians? It was not. If you want to see the true reflection of Nigeria, go and read the report by the European Union Monitoring Group on that same election. So that's why it matters in trying to support a candidate that will do good for your people. So, Rufai Oseni got it wrong. We are no fools. We are no hypocrites when we support Donald Trump. And if all these points I have mentioned to you doesn't make sense to you, then it means you don't really understand both Nigerian and international politics. But the truth of the matter remains, what I have told you shows that it is with our clear sense, our clear mind, our full chest that we support Donald Trump. Because of what the Democratic Party has done to this country. Because of what the Democratic Party has done to this continent. What they did to this continent. How they influenced our election. How they interfered in our election. When they keep on making noises, how Russia and China is interfering in their election. But they had the temerity to send their men to come to Lagos as consultants to come and help APC to win election in Nigeria. But they don't talk about that. They always make noises about how Russia is want to help Trump to win, how Russia is interfering, how China is interfering. But they are the interferers in chief, the Democratic Party in the United States, in elections in Africa and other parts of the world where they can be able to do it, like they did it in 2015. And knowing that they supported APC in 2015, and that's another election. There was an election in 2023. When Nigerians complained that the election was rigged in 2023, did they listen to us? They didn't listen to Nigerians. Instead, they delayed. Then they came up with a report saying that even though there was incidents of malpractices, blah, 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 but the election was a reflection of the will of the Nigerian people, which it was not. So when you see us support Trump, we have reason, and our reasons are genuine. We are hot because the economy of this country has been collapsed by the people Barack Obama and co. planted in Nigeria to take over from Goodluck Jonathan. We are buying a liter of fuel, 1,000 naira today, is because of the people that Americans interfered in our election to ensure that they displaced the PDP that was under the leadership of Goodluck Jonathan. So, Rufai, you got it wrong in this one. I can tell you that for free. You are wrong. We are no hypocrites. We are angry with the Democratic Party, how they have destroyed this country through the people they planted here to be in charge of our leadership. That's my take on this matter. I don't know what you think about this. Whatever may be your position, the comment section is there. Let us hear from you what you think about what Rufai Oseni said about those who support Donald Trump from Nigeria. Unfortunately, those of us who don't have a vote, we cannot vote well. It's only our goodwill and our intellectual knowledge that we can put out to show why we support Donald Trump. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it hard and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.